Hello everybody and welcome to this 2019 A8L brought to us by First International Auto Group out of Merrimack, New Hampshire. Before we get out on the road, let's go check out the exterior, see what this thing is about. So this 2019 A8L is basically Audi's competitor for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. And of course, as you can see, it's quite big. It is 208 inches long, which is almost as long as a standard size Chevy Yukon. For perspective, that is 210 inches. And this thing is also a lot longer than, most minivans. Yet it has 4 doors, seats 5, and I'll say quite comfortably. So on this side profile, as you can see, we have chrome all over this car. We have these multi-spoke rims, which look absolutely beautiful and pair really well with this black exterior color. I will say this thing looks quite executive. This is the executive spec for sure, with black on black, of course, black exterior color, black interior color with some nice wood paneling in there as well. So on the front of this Audi A8L, you can see we have these nice LED daytime running lights. We have the standard Audi grille, which looks quite nice. They didn't go too crazy. Of course, they still have to provide some cooling for that engine, which is a 3-liter turbocharged V6, making 340 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque. It's also paired to a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which is fully integrated. You're not charging it at night. You're basically just kind of driving around and pretending it doesn't exist. And so on the rear end here, we do have this chrome styling that runs across these taillights, of course LED. And then as you can see, our exhaust tips are fully hidden and integrated into the bumper. You can just barely see the tips of them there. And then back here, we have an automatic trunk. Lots of space back here. Those seats fold down too, giving you access to the cabin. There's just so much room and practicality in this Audi A8L. And my personal favorite part about this car are these back seats. I'm sitting behind myself, I'm 5'9", and I could fit another person in front of me. I feel like I'm in first class on an airline. This is just absolutely insane. I can't believe how much room is back here. It is incredible. We have the ability to turn on our heated seats for me and my co-passenger here in the back. The middle seat does not have heated integrations, but we do have full control over our HVAC system, in which to control any of the vents in this car, you slide your finger. It is just fully touch, which is kind of cool. Hopefully those don't break over time. And back here, we also do have these little pouches that fold out, having plenty of space for your map book or whatever else you'd like to store in there. I am disappointed that there are no TVs back here, but we do have these nice mirrors that fold down. And last thing to note is we do have these sunshades to block out the haters. You can also control the front sunroof from back here. Basically, you have full executive privileges from this back seat, which is pretty cool. So last thing before we get out on the road is I just wanted to talk about these drive modes and some of this MMI system. So basically for drive modes, we have a couple. We have comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. If you click on individual, you can control your drive, your suspension, and of course your steering. We have an adaptive suspension in this Audi A8L. As for our digital gauge cluster, we have a couple different views. Basically you can see your entire map like that, or you can press it in to see a better view of your tachometer and your speedometer. And so this 2019 Audi A8L is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have mine connected up just fine right now. Had no issues while having this car with the CarPlay. It's been absolutely fantastic. It was super easy to connect via the phone application on the Audi MMI system. And basically when you connect to CarPlay, you're substituting CarPlay for that Audi MMI. So you don't really have to play around with any of that. Basically, all the interactions you have with the screen after you connect to CarPlay is just for your HVAC system and your drive modes. So there is a little bit of car historical significance with the Audi A8L. During 2020, this was a Cannonball car, and it won and had first place in the Cannonball for a brief moment of time before an Audi A6 took its place. So it's pretty cool to know that, the Cannonball guys were in an Audi A8L just like this. They had, of course, tons of room. They were able to get a giant fuel cell in here. And these things can hold significant highway speeds, no problem whatsoever. I'd imagine those guys were quite comfortable on that long journey. So this thing really gets going as it revs up. That turbo takes a little bit to spool up. I don't have as much low-end torque as I'd imagine. With 369 pound-feet of max torque, you don't really get off the line as fast as I thought you would, but it's very significantly fast. This thing will have plenty of passing power, and I think really where you're going to enjoy this thing is on the highway. With this adaptive suspension system, you really do have the flexibility to do some sporty driving, do some highway cruising, just point A to point B. So at highway speeds, this thing is quite lovely. We have lots of sound deadening in here. You can have low volume conversations in here with ease. Of course, talk to, your mom through Apple CarPlay. You're gonna have just the complete luxurious experience behind the wheel of this Audi A8L. You might be able to see it, but we also have a heads-up display which displays our current speed limit, the current speed that we're at, and then it's also giving me a warning that I'm a little too close to the car in front of me, even though personally I don't think so. As far as some other safety features, we have emergency braking, we have parking sensors, we have a 360 backup camera so you can really have an easy time parking this giant sedan. And of course we have blind spot monitoring. So really it's all the modern safety tech that you would expect in a 2026 for, like a quarter of the price that this thing was new. And so let's talk about that for a second. So a base Audi A8L, which I can't imagine anyone actually purchased at this price, was about mid $80,000. I'd imagine most of these that went out the door were 100 plus. And this one has 78,000 miles on it. So the first International Auto Group price for this Audi A8L is $27.5K, and that is USD. And that is a significant deal because, as I said, that is about a quarter in which you would purchase one of these brand new, and only has 78,000 miles on it. I think that's just a very significant deal, especially if you have, the willingness to maintain this thing and the budget to do so. Of course, my one concern would be the adaptive air suspension. That would be the one thing I'm scared to maintain. But I did a review of a 2012 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which I talked about that same concern. And a lot of people were like, oh no, air suspension is quite figured out now. There's a lot of aftermarket support for it. And you can also change these cars over to a traditional spring setup. So you can have some flexibility in how you maintain this thing long term. I would just recommend that you have some money set aside to do so. So what's really lovely in this Audi A8L is this 8-speed Tiptronic automatic. I just think it does a really nice job at keeping this car in the gear that you want. Really kind of prevents you from having to use your paddle shifters, which are wheel mounted, so you can still have some fun in this car. They feel very high quality, just like the rest of the materials and buttons in here, though it is kind of short of buttons with this giant touchscreen in here. But I'd say that is the highlight of the car. The one thing I do wish was that this exhaust was a little louder. Of course, when you switch it into sport mode, it does have a valved exhaust, so it opens up a little bit, providing you some nice noise when you're really getting on the car. But at low speeds and just kind of around town, you do not hear this V6 whatsoever. But that's really how these things were designed. They're meant to be, luxury cars. They're meant to be very quiet and refined. So I do completely understand that. So let's switch this thing into comfort and see how it behaves over some of these more rough roads in New Hampshire. I mean, we've gotten quite a bit of snow this winter, and then we've had some warm-ups and then cooling back down to like 20 or 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So there's a lot of imperfect roads right now, a lot of bumps that we can test this Audi suspension over. So in comfort, it does raise the suspension a little bit. It closed those exhaust valves, and the steering lightens up, as well as the the tuning of that Tiptronic automatic. It really does kind of mellow out, makes you actually kind of want to drive slow. I'm very sorry about my squeaky shoes on the brake pedal here. I just bought new shoes, so my apologies for that, guys. Yeah, so even over those very harsh road imperfections, this thing handles it with ease. I definitely attribute that to the extended wheelbase of this Audi A8L. I'd imagine it's a little bit better than the standard A8, though they both have that adaptive air suspension, so you wouldn't be wrong getting the regular A8. But I do think the Audi A8L is where I would want to spend my time, spend my money. This thing is just absolutely incredibly refined. So to conclude my thoughts on this 2019 Audi A8L, this thing is just as lovely to drive as I expected. I would really like to see the Mercedes-Benz S-Class at the times comparison to this car. I have not driven one of those, so I can't really draw those comparisons, so I apologize. But I will say that this Audi A8L is a fantastic product, and it's definitely something that I would be considering as a daily driver, especially if you have a lot of highway miles. This thing is just so lovely on the highway. It eats up those miles, no problem. Fairly decent fuel economy too. Not absolutely fantastic. It's not like you're going to be driving around a Prius or anything like that. Shout out my dad who just bought one, and I plan to do a video with him on that soon. But yeah, this Audi A8L is a significantly great deal at First International Auto Group for, just above $27,000 US. Definitely worth your consideration and your time. Anyways, please leave your comments, questions, concerns below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you already subscribe, please even just throw me a like, because they just changed the YouTube algorithm again, I guess. At least that's what I heard secondhand. And so likes and comments really do matter, and I love to hear from you guys anyways. So thank you all again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.